The first tool enables users to upload videos and choose their preferred subtitle language before generating captions. This process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, particularly for content creators. Additionally, both tools offer features for editing and customizing subtitles post-generation. Users can opt for stock templates or tailor captions to meet their specific preferences. The second tool, Blink, stands out for its cost-free usage, making it accessible to all users. This tool can be easily installed and utilized for automatic captioning without financial barriers. To begin the captioning process, upload your video, apply a green layer, and download it from the editing software. This step is fundamental for ensuring accurate caption generation. Once uploaded, select your desired language for the captions and wait for the auto-generated options. This guarantees that the captions align with your chosen language preference. Rather than exporting the video file, opt to record your screen to capture the generated captions. This approach not only avoids additional charges but also preserves the captioning features.